I am Priyanka and welcome in the world of biology. In today's section, I am going to introduce you the subject biology with its many different branches and career options in the biology. Firstly, introduction to this subject. Introduction to biology. Biology is the science which deals with the study of different aspects of living beings like structure, activities, interaction, and evolution, etc. The term biology was coined by Lamarck and Treviranus in 1802. Biology is often called as biological or life sciences. Branches of biology. The main branches of biology include botany, zoology, and microbiology. Botany or phytology. It is the first main branch in the biology which includes study of different aspects of plant, and Theophrastus is the father of botany. Second main branch in the biology is zoology. It deals with the study of various aspects of animals, and Aristotle is the father of zoology. Third branch in the biology is microbiology, which is related to the study of various aspects of microorganisms or organisms having size 0.1 mm or less, and Pasteur is the father of microbiology. Other branches of biology includes morphology, study of external structures. When you are going to study any living creature, then first you have to study its external structure, external appearance. It is known as morphology. Anatomy, study of internal structure after dissection as visible to naked eyes. Cytology, study of cell structure is known as cytology. Cell biology, study of different aspects of cell and their components like structure, organization, chemistry, function, genetics, and development. Histology, study of tissue with the help of microscope is known as histology. Ecology, study of interrelationship between living organisms with their environment. Taxonomy, study of classification, nomenclature, and identification of organisms. Evolutionary biology, study of origin of life variations and formation of new species from pre-existing ones. Embryology, study of fertilization and development of zygote into an embryo, larva, metamorphosis, and miniature adults. Developmental biology, study of processes in which organism undergoes progressive and orderly changes in structure as well as physiology during entire life cycle. Paleontology, study of fossils and their distribution in rocks at different ages. Exobiology, study of possibilities of life in the outer space. Physiology, study of various body functions of different organisms. Cybernetics, it is a science connected with the control and communication such as neurobiology and endocrinology. Genetics, study of variation and transmission of characters from parents to their offspring. It is actually the study of transmission and expression of genes. Microbiology, it is a study of structure, life cycle, and different activities of the microorganisms. Pathology, study of diseases, effects, causal agents, transmission, and other activities of pathogens. Molecular biology. Study of nature, organization, synthesis, working, and interaction of biomolecules or molecules that constitute the body of living organisms. Eugenics. Study of factors influencing hereditary qualities of a race and ways of improving the same by modifying fertility at different categories of individuals. Euphenics. It is study of treatment of defective heredity through genetic engineering. Euthenics. Study of environmental conditions that contribute to the improvement of intellect and other trait of the human beings. Ethology. Study of animal behavior in their natural habitat. Ethnology. Study of distribution, relationship, and origin of different races of mankind. Immunology. Study of components of immune system, immune response, development of immunity, immunotherapy, and immunotoxins. Genetic engineering. Manipulation of gene in order to improve or create organism with new gene combinations. Cryobiology. It is a study of effect of low temperature on different organisms including their preservations. Biogeography. Study of graphical distribution of different organisms in various parts of the world, for example, zoogeography and phytogeography. Now, I will discuss the different career options in the biology, which includes different branches. When the student comes from 12th standard, they can make their career in the different branches, and these are some career options. General stream. Branch of basic sciences include zoology, botany, microbiology, anthropology, physiology, and fishery. The professional streams means where you can gain knowledge of the profession: medical sciences, veterinary sciences, agriculture, dairy science, pathology, surgery, diagnostic techniques, computational biology, environmental management, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, and genetic engineering. Vocational streams meant for direct employment after the technical knowledge and the skills you will get in it. Agronomy, apiculture, breeding, forensic sciences, pharmacy, pharmacology, physiotherapy, poultry farming, sericulture, and aquaculture. These are three main streams, main career options in the biology. In this session, we will see details of these branches, careers in biology, which are the different career options, which are the different branches. Agronomy, crop production and management of farms. Animal husbandry, rearing, management and breeding of farm animals. Agriculture, cultivation, crop production, management and breeding of farm animals. Forestry, raising of forest plants, protection, conservation and management. Fishery, culturing, catching, preservation, transportation as well as marketing of the fishes. Dentistry, care, diagnosis, treatment and restoration of defective teeth, oral cavity and associated structures. Next one is a breeding biology. Production of improved varieties through selective mating or breeding parents having desired characters. Example, plant breeding or animal breeding. Dietetics, nutritional requirement of various categories and different age groups. Computational biology. In this study, there is a use of computational softwares and hardwares for building simulation model of biological systems. Biotechnology, using naturally occurring or genetically modified living organism and their different gene for production of useful substances and overcoming deficiencies in the molecular level. Horticulture, development, management and exploitation of gardening, computer simulation, conversion of physical phenomenon into graphical, multidimensional and multimedia presentations without involving living being. Anthropology, study of mental and physical constitutions, interrelationships of biological, cultural, social, geographical and historical aspects. Apiculture includes commercial rearing of honey for honeybees and wax. Aquaculture, commercial rearing of fish, prawn, other useful aquatic organisms. Bioengineering, production of spare parts for human beings like artificial limb, lung heart machines, pacemakers, etc. Medical transcription, transcribing dictations from healthcare provider about patient history, assessment, surgical, radiological, therapeutic procedures, clinical courses, diagnosis and prognosis. Orthopedics, diagnosis and repair of bone joint, spine disorders, etc. Pediatrics, care, diagnosis and treatment of diseases in children. Pharmacology, it is a science of drug, materia medica and therapeutics. Medicine, treating diseases with different drugs and different curative substances. Microbiology includes study of different microorganisms with their different uses. Pathology, study of nature, symptom, diagnosis, causes, effects, prevention and cure of different diseases. Genetic engineering, manipulation of gene by extracting selected gene from one organism, synthesizing of copies of genes and inserting into another organism. Environmental management, assessment of environment, finding problem, finding remedies on that particular problems, environmental problems, conservation of biodiversity and balance of nature. Endocrinology, structure, physiology, defects of endocrine glands and their hormones. Dairy technology, raising improved varieties of cattle, extraction, preservation and marketing of milk as well as milk products. DNA fingerprinting, identification through matching of hypervariable region of DNA in the DNA fingerprinting. Then nursing, caring of ill and injured person. Entomology, biology of insects. Forensic science, application of scientific knowledge in identification of poison, narcotics, blood types, fingerprints, injuries, articles, etc. It deals with the criminal activities and law. Bioinformatics, development of computing system, storing, analyzing, modeling, databasing biological information. Occupational therapy, developing skill for treating mental and physical disorders. Floriculture, cultivation and management of plants for obtaining flowers. Pharmacy, compounding, dispensing, identification and preservation of drugs. Poultry science, rearing, management and exploitation of domestic fowl, chicken, ducks and geese. Olericulture, farming of vegetables. Ophthalmology, care, diagnosis and cure of eye diseases. Soil science, study of origin, type, structure and different crop developments in the particular soil structure with its dynamics, fertility and suitability is called as soil science. Radiology, use of X-ray, ultrasound, other imaging techniques for diagnosis of defects, diseases and study of internal parts. Parasitology, study of human and animal parasites, life cycle, transmission and possible treatments. Surgery, operative treatment to cure and manage patient which cannot done through regular medicines. Veterinary science, health, care and treating diseases, deformities and injuries of animal. It includes veterinary medicine and veterinary surgery. These are the different career options, career branches in the subject biology. Thanks for watching.